In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your store currency in WooCommerce quickly and effortlessly. If you've just set up a WooCommerce store or are looking to update your store's currency settings, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First up, make sure you're logged into your WordPress site. Once you're at the WordPress dashboard, take a look over at the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see a menu with several options for managing your website. You'll want to find the one that says WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up additional options specifically for WooCommerce settings. It's the initial step that really opens up all the doors to manage your store effectively. Now that you're inside the WooCommerce section, you should see a list of other menu items. Here, we want to navigate to Settings. This is the central hub where you can manage all your store configurations, from taxes to payments, and of course, your currency settings. So give that a click. This area is particularly important as it controls key aspects of how your store operates and interacts with your customers. Within the settings, you'll notice a tab labeled General. This is where you'll find the store management options that are crucial to your store's overall setup. Scroll down through these general settings until you come across the currency options. It's here that we can begin to tailor the financial aspects of your store to suit your needs. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options can really give you a stronger command over how your store functions on a financial level. In this section, you'll see various options related to currency management. Start by clicking on the drop-down list under Currency. This will allow you to choose the specific currency you want to use for your store. Whether you're dealing in euros, US dollars, or any other available currency, simply select the one that best fits your location or target market. This selection is pivotal, as it aligns your store with your business strategy and customer expectations. Next, there's an option called Currency Position. This setting determines how the currency symbol appears relative to the price number. For example, you can choose to display your currency symbol to the left or the right of the price, and you can even opt to include a space between the currency symbol and the amount if you prefer. This can be especially important for ensuring that your prices are easy to read and conform to popular conventions in your target market. It's these small details that enhance the customer experience, making your store appear professional and trustworthy. Once you've made your selections, take a moment to double-check that everything is entered correctly. It's easy to overlook a small detail, but taking this extra time ensures your store's checkout process is seamless.